Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add a calendar in the Calendar app. This will be helpful because you can add events to the specific calendar you choose. I will go over how to create events in the next video. To add a calendar in the Calendar app, find the Calendar app. It should have the current date on it, like this. Once you find it, open it. Tap Calendars in the bottom row. Add Calendar. Here's where you add your calendar name, and right below it, you customize your color for it, for adding events to this calendar in the future. Once you have finished, tap the top right red Done button.